Yeah, hi, good afternoon. First of all, thank you so much for making this effort and being coming here to be a part of this very special journey that Ankura Hospital and as me as an individual have started. I remember the last year has taught us a lot of things. Pandemic taught us what actually humanity is. What you don't have to live for yourself. You don't have to work hard for yourself. But sometimes it's very important to give back to the society. We all want to do something right in life, but we always need a hand, a helping hand, a guide, a force, which will always guide us, which is the right direction. I was learning everything. I was not trained. I was not equipped. I never knew how to send all these migrants back to their homes. I never knew how to call all these students from different parts of the world when they were stuck. I never knew what healthcare was to an individual and how I can help to others. I always wanted to help, but I had no formula. I had no way how I can connect with all these people. But I remember when you intend to do something right in life, you always get connected with like-minded people. I remember the whole journey started when I was connecting with all these migrants, and when they were having problems with their health, they started messaging me, okay, I have, I have a problem with my mother who's suffering from cancer or from kidney or some liver transplant, all these things. So I was clueless how to connect with different people. There were a lot of problems regarding child and women and child care. And the kind of responsibility that you take on your shoulders, that you have to recommend a patient who is looking out for help to an individual who will make them right and who will get them out of that grief. So it's a huge amount of responsibility on your shoulders also to get the right name, right individual who will make their life back to normal. I remember there were a lot of emergencies, a lot of patients who connected me during this pandemic, and that's the time I got connected with Dr. KP and the whole group of Ankura, and I referred few cases to them, and all of them came out healthy. They were very happy, and I was very keen to meet them. I was stuck in Mumbai like everyone was, and when I came to Hyderabad, I made the first point that I connected with all of them. Archana, I remember I spoke to her when I was in Mumbai, and we all met. And I said, this journey is not about just doing what we were doing all our lives. It's about making a family who's always reachable, who's always there to help the needy, who's always there to give a right guidance about healthcare. And after a couple of meetings, I knew, I'm sitting with people who are like-minded, who want to give back to the society. They're like many of healthcares we have in our country. They are the people who want good to happen. And that's how the whole journey of Ankura began. And I'm also learning every day, but I'm glad that I have great teachers like KP with me, who always tell me, Sonu bhai, isko aisa karte hain, let's spread our wings. Hum na sirf only in Hyderabad or Telangana, Andhra, yahan pe karte, we'll try to spread our wings to different states where we can reach out to people who are needy. And that's how we have taken this first step with this our healthcare system coming at LB Nagar. It's just a beginning. I promise you that together we will reach out to many more lives. We all need you also to guide us. We are ready to learn. We are ready to help all the people who are in need. You know how to connect with us, how to connect with Ankura, and let's together give back to the society and make this world a better place to live in. So thank you so much, KB bhai, for making me a part of Ankura. And I promise that I'm always there 24/7, 365 days, all my life, to give my best. And I promise everyone, no matter when, where you need a help, I'm just a phone call away. Thank you so much.